Everything that we're gonna do in this video is all about spinning nicely. That is the biggest difference between these two basics video. In the hammock basic video, we focus a lot more on the movement that you can do with the Aerial Hammock. Today we're gonna focus on more the dance element and the spinning, and with all the tricks and flows that we're gonna do, you're going to find out how to dance elegantly 360 degree with the Aerial Sling. Alright, so here's some music and we're gonna come warm up our arms for dancing. Bring our arms to the side. Make sure you have your shoulders down. Look into the mirror to check yourself. Feel the back muscles here and shoulders keeping it up. Now we can just draw a circle. Now the other side. Now let's give ourselves a thumbs up and go up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now point to the front. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And now to the back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're going to reach. Relax the shoulders a little bit. Now we're going to add the legs. Right arm to the front, so it's always going to be the opposite one. Try to point 12 and 9. Opposite, it's 12 and 3. Try to keep it here as you're going forward. Just a little bit of the coordination. And really feel the power when you're reaching your arms out. Good. Let's do one more time. I'm looking into the mirror the whole time just to check to make sure my arms are in a good form. Last condition for today, we're going to build it up from here. From here, we're going to open this right arm so that we can bring this arm so that we can turn to come to here. So let's go one more time. On this side, open the left arm. And now bring this arm in so that I can turn to come back to open, bring this arm in and turn. Open, bring this arm in and turn. If you're used to the movement, we can do it a little bit faster and a little bit smoother. 1, 2, 3, 4. Open, close. Open, close. Open, close. combine all the tricks that we just see into a flow. Here's where you can try to spin with me, and I'm going to try to spin and give you cues at the same time. Now flip into a front balance. Land on the hammock and come up to the front balance. And now bring the top leg out. Reach, 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 reach everything. And now come back, bring the legs in. Close your body so it can speed up a little bit. Lift to straddle. And then now bring the leg, one leg bent, one leg to the back. You can bring both legs in and switch. Remember to go from the side. And then now poke one of the fabric, pull and straighten so you can come to this balance pose and come up forward, come back here, and then we can do our last move. Left leg, right leg, pull, and ta-da! It is okay that sometimes the spin stops because we spin all the time, it happens. And we just have to try again. The first dance flow is the one that we just work on together. It is my warm-up sequence, so every time when I come to the sling, I try to put on different music just to do these few simple movements to get a feel and think about how I can do this better than last time. I like the fact that I don't really have to worry about spinning too fast or too slow and just really feeling myself. Sometimes I add new movement. For example, this balance is new to me. Now that I'm watching it, I wish that I'm bending my free leg. I think it will look a little bit better. So that's what I'm gonna do next time. The second dance is what I'm working on. The faster that you spin, the harder it is going to be. But feel free to give it a try. You can see that the first two moves is what we just covered in the tricks today. From here, you just have to do a pull-up if you can. Open your legs wide and slowly bring them in together. Here I'm still working on getting the toes pointed to the ground so I can keep my body straight for a faster spin. But even that one doesn't work so well now. The upside down one is not too challenging. You just have to really try to squeeze and keep it straight. Give it a try if you're ready for a fast spin. I hope you have fun today doing the Aerial Sling Basic practice with me today. If you want to know more how to start a spin better, more powerful, there's an entire beginner Aerial Sling series for you to check out. Let me know you want to see next, and have a beautiful week, and see you in the next videos. 저 젖어님의